In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable and disable maintenance mode on your WordPress site using hPanel. Whether you're updating your site, making some quick fixes, or just need a little time away from visitors while you tweak a few things, maintenance mode is your friend. It temporarily hides your site from public view, replacing it with a default, briefly unavailable page that informs your visitors to check back later. Let's dive into the details on how to do this using hPanel. First things first, you'll need to log into your Hostinger account using hPanel. Once you're in, go to the Websites section. Here, you'll see a list of your hosted sites. Locate the WordPress site you want to put into maintenance mode. Next to the site, you'll find the option to click Manage. This is your gateway to customizing and controlling the different aspects of your site, including its visibility. Once you're in the Management section for your WordPress site, look for WordPress Overview. In some cases, it might be labeled as Core, but don't worry, both lead you to the same functionality. Within this section, you'll see the option to toggle the maintenance mode either on or off. To activate this feature, simply switch the toggle to On. At this point, Hostinger's default message of briefly unavailable for scheduled maintenance will be displayed to anyone trying to access your website. It's a simple and effective way to let your visitors know you're making improvements. When you're all done with the updates or changes and you're ready to bring your site back to life, just head back to the same section in hPanel. Simply toggle the maintenance mode off and your site will be available to the world once again. Now, if you find yourself frequently needing to enable maintenance mode or want a bit more flexibility, consider installing the Hostinger Tools plugin directly within WordPress. This handy plugin not only allows you to easily enable maintenance mode, but also provides an added feature, the ability to generate a bypass URL. This URL can be shared with specific people, like team members or clients, so they can still access the site privately even when it's under maintenance. It's a neat way to ensure teams can collaborate effectively without exposing the work in progress to the general public. And there you have it, a quick and straightforward way to manage maintenance mode on your WordPress site using hPanel. Remember, whether you're putting the final touches on a design overhaul or implementing essential updates, enabling maintenance mode is crucial to maintaining a professional appearance. Thanks for watching, and I hope you feel confident managing your site's accessibility with these steps. Happy site managing!